Welcome to Daily English Practice for You.
Do you want to speak English fluently and learn new vocabulary and boost your confidence? Here are the best tips that really work, so watch this video till the end. 1. Think in English, not in your language. Stop translating. Start making small sentences in your mind in English throughout the day. 2. Learn 5 new words daily. Use them in sentences immediately. Example: learn essential. Water is essential for life. 3. Read aloud for 10 minutes. Read English newspapers, blogs, or stories aloud to improve pronunciation and fluency. 4. Mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself for 2 minutes daily. This builds speaking confidence. 5. Watch movies with subtitles. First watch with subtitles, then without. Repeat dialogues to copy accent and tone. 6. Record your voice. Speak for 1 minute on any topic, record and listen. You'll catch mistakes and improve fast. 7. Use daily phrases. Instead of memorizing grammar, learn useful PH. Me or I'll get back to you. 8. Learn through music and podcasts. Listen to English songs or podcasts daily. You'll naturally catch new words and sentence styles. 9. Surround yourself with English. Change your phone language to English. Follow English pages and join groups where English is used. 10. Don't fear mistakes. Confidence grows only when you speak. Mistakes are proof that you're learning. Remember, English is not learned in a day. But if you practice these tips daily, fluency is guaranteed. Start today. Your future self will thank you. Grammar is important, but you don't need to be perfect with it to speak English. Basic grammar helps you make correct sentences and avoid confusion. For example, knowing tenses, subject-verb agreement, and simple sentence structures will make your English clearer. But remember, fluency comes more from practice, listening, and speaking than from memorizing rules. So, learn grammar step by step, but don't wait to be perf. Start speaking. Vocabulary is the heart of English. The more words you know, the more confidently you can express yourself. Start with daily use words, then slowly add new ones from books, movies, or conversations. Don't just memorize. Try to use new words in your sentences. Even learning 3 to 5 new words a day can make your English powerful in a few months.